How to clear stored keyboard history to stop iPhone auto-suggesting private words. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear your keyboard history and reset the words your iPhone has learned. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Next, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap Reset. From the options that appear, select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Tap Reset Dictionary to confirm. This will remove custom words and shortcuts that your iPhone keyboard has learned and reset the keyboard dictionary to its default settings. After that, open any app where you can type and test the keyboard again. If you still see unwanted suggestions, you can also check your keyboard settings. Go back to Settings, tap General, then tap Keyboard. Here, you can turn off Predictive if you don't want your iPhone to show word suggestions while you type. You can also turn off Auto Correction if you don't want your iPhone to automatically change words as you type. Keep in mind that resetting the keyboard dictionary won't delete your messages or other personal data. It only resets the custom words and keyboard dictionary. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your iPhone keyboard history and can turn off predictive suggestions if you want more control over what appears while typing. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.